What is up, guys? It is the Kenster, and today we are going to be making jalapeno poppers. The ingredients list will be entirely in the description of the video. First, we are going to want to start off with making the inside of the poppers. What we're going to want to do is I've already started with about half a cup of shredded cheese. Next, we are going to add roughly about 6 ounces. One thing you'll learn from cooking with me is that we don't go by the exact measurements of things. Now we have the cream cheese added. The next thing we are going to add is going to be some chopped chives. And don't be afraid to add a lot in there, often. Garlic powder. A little bit of cayenne pepper. And last but not least, minced onion. So next we're going to mix all of this up. We have already mixed all this stuff up, and we're going to start putting them in the poppers. Before you guys stuff your peppers, you guys want to go ahead and take some olive oil and put it on your cooking pan. The next thing you guys are going to want to do is go ahead and stuff your peppers. So grab a pinch of your innard stuff and go ahead and seal up anything. You don't want to put too much in there, but you definitely want to seal up any sort of cracks in between. And when you're finished, it should look somewhat like this. And set those aside. Once you have that done, your poppers will look something like this. Next, you're going to take it and submerge it in some milk, in about a half a cup of milk, and then roll it over into some flour, so you guys can see here. Re-dip it in the milk and roll it around, and then dip it in some breadcrumbs. And you want to make sure you have enough breadcrumbs so that when you're done, it'll look something like this. And then go ahead and set it right back on your cooking pan that's already greased, and then you can keep doing that until you're done with the poppers, and I'll see you guys in a second with a better looking product. Okay, so next we are going to add the final touches, which is the best, bacon. So what you're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take the ones that we have, we're going to re-bread them, and then we're going to apply the bacon. Okay, so what you're going to start with is about this. You're going to grab your piece of bacon, and what you're going to do is you're just going to start right at the top and slowly wrap your bacon around your popper. And then in order to keep it on, you want to kind of tuck that end in over another piece. Grab your toothpick and slice it through until you hit your finger. Don't stab your finger. And go ahead and set them right back onto the tray, and you should be good to go. See you guys in a few once I get the rest of these done. Okay guys, so now when they're done, they should look something like this. We have our bacon wrapped and then our just regular breaded, and it's time to put them in the oven, and they will be out in a few. A big note is that when you guys put them in the oven, make sure to watch them. You definitely want to make sure that the bacon is cooked and the breading is like golden brown, or even like a little bit darker. That way you don't undercook them, especially for the bacon wrapped ones. So make sure you guys keep a close eye on them and get ready to enjoy. Okay guys, so that is the recipe on how to make jalapeno poppers. As you can see, they look absolutely delicious. Bacon is done, the breading is crispy and golden, and so I'm about to go take these off into the other room and enjoy. And I hope you guys are able to do the same. As always, have a great one, God bless, and I will see you guys in the next one.